Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. For those of you who have joined in, thank you for joining for another session, your first session, in fact, an orientation session to understand better what is offered in this course. And let me just congratulate you for joining this course. You're going to see a different yourself. You'll see a different version of yourself. Okay, there you'll see a lot of transformation only if you are regular and committed. See, we are doing an amazing job. We've had 4 batches already, and we have seen so much of transformation, so much of change in the students. They have got good jobs, they've got into MBA, they've got into MS, into good colleges. So there are a lot of things that's happened here. Okay, all you need to do is make sure you are there for the live sessions. You are going through what is happening in the WhatsApp, okay, and then doing all the activities. Let me just briefly run through the program for you first, and then we'll have introductions. Okay, let me just share the screen. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let me just brief you about what is Future Ready Hub and what it offers for you. I'll brief you about the tasks that you'll be given each day, each month, and how does your 12 weeks journey pan out, okay? And what are the program highlights? And we have some great, important new plans that have come up. So we'll introduce that. And also our team, the people who are behind this program, who are doing an amazing job, who's helping me to make sure that we deliver to you whatever ideas, great ideas we have. Okay, and also there are some awards for students who are diligent and who are consistent and who are regular. Okay, I'll brief you about those things also. Okay, so we've already started these daily tasks, but I'm yet to see full participation in this. First one is mindful journaling prompts. Then you have language learning tasks and daily speaking prompts. Okay. Now I want you both, Vignesh and Gupta, to guess why do you think we're posting that and what is the idea behind that activity? What can you learn from this activity? Can you try to tell me? For the first one, mindful journaling prompt, Gupta, can I hear from you? Yes. Unmute yourself. See, it has to be an interactive session and doesn't matter whatever you know, whatever you feel, you understand, you can say. Bindas. Gupta, do you speak Telugu? Because you are from Andhra, no? Do you speak Telugu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, even I speak Telugu at home, do you know? But my Telugu is not great because I live in Bangalore, Karnataka, and I can't even understand Telugu movies, you know. So my Telugu is a bit of mix of Kannada, so it's not that pure Telugu. Anyway, the first activity, that is mindful journaling prompt. Have you been doing this? Did you understand why we have created? What you learn from this? Have you attempted it, Gupta? Have you been doing it? Your name is Gupta or your surname is Gupta? What is
My
your
name
full
is
name?
Gupta, ma'am. Surname is Pasumati.
Huh? Surname is
Full name is Pasumati, ma'am.
Pasmarti. Oh, Gupta Pasmarti, is it? Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so have you been attempting this activity?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Vignesh, good. Thank you for being honest. Doesn't matter. Here we are like friends, okay? This is not school or college. Only if you keep telling frankly whatever you feel, whatever you have understood, whatever not understood, we can do better. We can serve you better, isn't it? Vignesh, would you like to tell me if you have attempted this first activity?
No,
Are you,
no, ma'am. No, ma'am, I didn't attempt that.
you didn't attempt. But did you understand what needs to be done? Both of you? Have you understood
No,
what needs to be done?
no, ma'am.
You didn't understand. Did you? Are you going through the messages clearly? Are you reading the messages fully every day, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
You're reading it fully. Okay. So, what about you, Gupta? Are you going through the messages? Because so many messages we are posting. Ha, chala messages undi. And if you don't read, then you're no point in joining the group, isn't it? Are you reading the messages? Quick, quick. Are you reading the messages? Arey yaar, say yes or no.
What messages, ma'am?
The messages in the WhatsApp group. Every day are you in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So we are posting messages every day, isn't it? So are you reading what we are posting?
Yes, ma'am. Daily slogans are.
Okay. Okay, fine. You're reading. Okay, fine. Now, mindful journaling prompt, the first one is it's a writing activity, okay? We are giving you a prompt. Let's just check out what is today's prompt. That way I'll be able to explain better. What is today's prompt? Can somebody open and tell me what is today's prompt? Okay. This was the
What do you
speaking.
do every day after college or school, ma'am?
No, the first one. Today's mindful journaling prompt. I will accomplish. Okay. How to submit this task? We have written mindful journaling is meant for your personal clarity. Please keep a dedicated diary or journal for your reflections. There's no need to submit. Just select yes in our poll to confirm you've completed the task. So we've given you the topic, isn't it? What have we said? I will accomplish. What do you need to do? First, have one diary for this, okay? This activity. Believe me, each activity we are making you do is very, very, very important if you want to achieve your goal. Now, Gupta, I want to know, what is your goal?
To become a software engineer, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have some salary in mind. What kind of salary do you want? How much? It's okay, tell me.
5-digit salary, ma'am.
5-digit. Okay. Vignesh, what
Yes,
is your
ma'am.
goal?
So, ma'am, my goal is to be a software engineer.
Okay. What do you have any number in mind?
Not particular, ma'am, but something starting from 11 to 12 LPA.
Very good. See, the first thing is having a bigger goal. Don't think, will I get it? Can I get that much salary? No. Start with the dream. Dream big. Then afterwards, let's see how you can achieve this. Think big. So, Gupta, for you also, at least we say a 6 LPA is a minimum. We say 6 steps towards your 6-figure salary. That is what we talk about here in the silver membership. Okay. So, that is the minimum we are looking for you people. Good that you're frank and you're telling me what you have in your mind. So, believe me, you will achieve your goal only if you do all the activities. Each activity, there's a lot of reason behind designing this for you. Okay. So, first take one book. It can be a notebook, it can be a fancy diary, anything. Okay. Have this separately kept for this activity itself. As soon as that prompt is posted in the morning. So what have they written? I will accomplish. Write that. You complete that. What has been written, I will accomplish. So complete that activity. Write something. Doesn't matter if the grammar is wrong. Doesn't matter if the sentences are not great. It's like diary writing is something, it's like talking to yourself. So when you're talking to yourself, when you're thinking, or when you're talking to your mother or parents, do you think too much? No, you just simply naturally talk, isn't it? So don't worry about what word to use. Oh, is this grammar right? Am I writing properly? Nobody is going to check this. It's for yourself. So if it's only for yourself, why are we making you do this? Because you will improve your writing practice. You'll have clarity of thought. If you have to get a 10 LPA, 11 LPA, my dear, right now the market is not great. The job market is not great. You have to stand out in the crowd. You have to make sure that you're better than all the people in the group when you're giving your interview. Okay. So all these activities are designed for this. And during interview, they can ask you any question. You cannot like exam, okay, I will prepare for all these questions and then I'll answer. No. In interview, they can ask you anything. So this kind of questions wherein you'll start thinking, okay, when whatever prompt we have given. So for that, what can the answer be? How should I answer? So this is what, it's a preparation for your interview. Okay, it's going to get you clarity. It's going to motivate you to work better. Okay, it's going to help you to plan your day, plan your smaller goals, bigger goals, all these things. Okay, language learning tasks that we post afternoon. Okay, these are Kratika, which are these? The daily speaking prompts are fine. These language learning tasks are the ones we've put up in the LMS platform, isn't it? These people have access to it already, no? Yeah, I think Kratika ma'am is somewhere. Okay, fine. So all these activities are on the LMS platform. So have you seen the recorded courses, Vignesh and Gupta? Did you access the recorded course?
I have not seen them yet.
Huh?
No, ma'am, I have not seen them yet.
No, have you, but do you know where it is? Are you able to find it?
No, ma'am, in the website there is the yeah, I did
Have
not
you
find
logged
it.
into Tag Mango?
Yes, ma'am, I have logged into the website.
Okay. After logging in, you've seen the courses, no? Where it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You know where it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Gupta, what about you? Do you have access to the course?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Website.
Have you started watching? Okay. Looks like you've not started watching. See, the way we have designed the course, there are different elements to it. And we want you to do all these things. See, especially recorded course, even when you're doing something at home, you can watch it, isn't it? Maybe you want to iron your shirt. You're listening to that recorded course and also ironing your shirt. Whatever. But you have to do this. You've not started at all. All of you, both of you. Then daily speaking prompts is something that we post in the evening when there's a small topic given to you and you have to speak. I think some of you have started attempting this and put it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. This you have to see how you will improve. Okay. By the end of 90 days, not even in 90 days, by the end of 30 days itself, you will see so much of improvement. The day 1, how are you speaking? Day 30, how are you speaking? You can see it yourself. I'm not talking about me making out, me seeing the difference in how you're speaking. You will be able to see how you're able to speak more fluently. There's more clarity in thought, the choice of words, all those things. So this daily speaking prompt is absolutely important for you to start speaking. Okay. The first one is a writing activity. The second one is a listening activity. How does one improve the language? There is a lot of concepts, a lot of information. There's a lot of knowledge we've put in those videos. Once you start listening to this, you will understand what you have to do, how you have to do. See, I can't sit with you every day like this. That is why I've recorded those courses. We're hosted it on the website. So much we are doing, but you have to utilize it, isn't it? Just getting into the group is not enough. You have to do all the activities that are given. Recorded course, morning mindful journaling prompt. That is, you can just spend 5 minutes for that. Daily speaking prompt, 5 minutes for it. Language learning tasks, these are recorded anytime, whenever you are free. See, you'll be sitting and studying, maybe you'll get bored. Let me do something different, okay? Why don't I just simply sit and listen to the recorded course? That's easy, isn't it? So you should plan your day that way. So we have something called weekly tasks. The first one is the life guide that we had posted. And this is very important for you to understand yourself better, and plan your goals better. Okay, so you people have not yet done recorded courses itself, so I'm sure you wouldn't have done all these things. Then the second week you'll have to start watching the core concepts videos. Third week presentation. Fourth week writing story. So there are so many things like this. Once you open that up, you will understand, only in this batch, I'm feeling so bad that you people have not started watching the videos. The earlier batch, the first thing they used to do was, as soon as we gave them access, they start watching all the videos and they were doing really well. So I want more from you people, more commitment, more time, dedication. Then daily, there is one book reading activity that happens in the night, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. And I have told some of you who entered the book reading party, if the book is difficult, we want to introduce a new book, an interesting book. That's number one. Number two, it doesn't matter how much you understand. All you have to do is just sit and listen, okay? You can just sit on the sofa, you can sit on your chair, or you can lie down on your bed and listen. That's all. You're not doing anything else. So you must do this. Go and look up whether it is Sudha Murthy, Elon Musk, any achiever, anyone. You look at all these people who are achievers and winners, celebrities. You look at them, they are all readers. Only if you keep reading on a regular basis, you can be a winner, an achiever. So what do we say in FRH? There is a tagline: readers, thinkers, leaders. You will become a leader, you'll become a thinker only if you start reading. And this is where we help you, introduce you to very good books. Maybe on your own, you may not be able to sit and do this. That is why we have started this, okay? And we have seen very good participation earlier, and we want to see here also. Otherwise, you will never pick up a book and read by yourself, isn't it? Now you have somebody who will just take that book and start reading. All you have to do is listen. That much you will be able to do. And 9 p.m. is a time that most of the times you're free. You're not doing anything that time, okay? So this is one thing I want you to start doing on a regular basis. So here you have the details of all every week, what specifically we will teach, the whole module. First week is self-discovery. Then you have core concepts, powerful presentation, writing success, email writing, personal branding, group discussion. Then 8th week is final checklist. Okay. Then afterwards you have job search and networking, interview storytelling, mock interviews, revision. That's the 12th week. See, there are two ways of looking at this. When somebody sees this, there are two ways you can think. Oh my God, so much. Do I have to do so much? That is one way of looking at it. Another way of looking, oh my God, there is somebody out there who's going to teach me all these things. Where will I get this kind of a course? Wherein this one is like a full personality development, wherein they're not just teaching English. They're going to help me with my resume. They're going to help me with my interview preparation. everything, not just your immediate future, but even 5 years from now, where are you going to go? How are you going to reach where you want to go? So this whole journey is chalked out for you. We've chalked out how you're going to be a leader. 6 LPA is the starting step. You start with 6 LPA, but how do you grow? That is what we are looking at. Okay. So that is a minimum that we're talking about. We already have people here who are talking about 10 LPA, 11 LPA. That's amazing. Excellent. Good. So this is the journey we've charted for you. And what I say for you people is just be regular. Be there. And these live sessions, if you're here, you get motivated, you get that energy, and whatever doubts you may have, we will clear it for you. Okay. You have to be winners. For that, you have to be action takers. You have to do the activities, only then you will see the change, isn't it? So today's session, this is called hackathon. So we'd have this on Wednesday, which is a live session. Then another thing is, what else will happen? You'll be given one mentor, okay, dedicated mentor. These people are from prestigious colleges, who have come out of prestigious colleges, and they have excellent experience and achievements and career that they have done for themselves. Okay, so they are professionals from the corporate sector. This person will sit with you and try to understand, Vignesh, where are you now? Okay, how can I help you? How can I help you to get this job? What are the courses you have done? You show me your one example resume that you have done. What more should you do? See, when you go for the interview, that resume should have everything, isn't it? How will you fill up whatever is required? Getting one internship, getting the experience, getting the skills that are required. You have to start building that today. You have to start getting into all those things, start doing all those things from today. You can't do it just before the interview, isn't it? So this person is going to help you to plan your career and how you can get a good placement. Okay. Then we have something called weekly accountability calls, wherein we will not leave you. You have entered our universe. We will sit with you every week. You can expect one call from us, either a meeting or a phone call. We will sit with you. Yes, why are you not attending? Why are you not doing? And this is not to make you feel bad, or this is not to scold you, but I want to understand, why are you not able to do it? You did not understand the activity. You don't know how to do it. You don't have time. What is your problem? I want to understand, so that we can help you. Okay. So you will have accountability calls, then live GD sessions. That's much later, not right now. Live mock interviews, then final week mock interview with experts. So we have amazing things lined up. I should say, congratulations on getting into this kind of a course. Okay. So it's only because of your good luck or some blessings that you've got into this place, and you have not even been asked to pay the fee. Somebody is sponsoring it also for this. Okay. So what more can you ask for? Another thing that we provide is one English buddy for you, because what we realize is that you can improve your speaking, your fluency, your confidence only if you start speaking on a regular basis with somebody. So we'll give you somebody called an English buddy who will talk to you every day. Whenever you are free, you fix up the time with the English buddy. This person is just a friend. It's not lesson. It's not anything. You just simply talk to them. And as you keep talking, you will improve. See, language learning, you don't need grammar for it, especially for spoken English. You don't need fancy words. All you need is practice. I'm sure you all know how children speak at home. Do they know how to read? Do they know how to write? Do they know grammar? Nothing, isn't it? In spite of that, how beautifully they will speak. Why? They're listening to the language constantly. They keep talking. They observe how parents are talking, how brother and sister, everybody in the house are there talking, and they'll start talking. So the same way, you don't have to think about anything else. Just keep doing the activities and you will be able to speak much better than what you're doing right now. Okay. So we also have internship slots only for you people, wherein you can do social work, content writing, graphic designing, video editing, marketing, administration. There's so many things available for you. If you do these internships, you can put that in the resume. It's very important. Internships in the social sector. Okay, after that you can do some corporate internships also. To begin with, see, my son is studying in IIT Madras. Okay, and the first thing he did was, the first internship in his first sem itself was in an NGO. So this is a must for all of you. We're giving you this opportunity. You have to seize this and apply for the internship. You have to reach out to us. We'll help you how you can get the internship. Then we have something called Hive sessions, which happens every weekend, where we'll help you. For example, you said, I have not done the life guide. I don't know how to do the life guide. Okay, somebody will sit with you and help you. There's something called Pecha Kucha presentation. Then 3 story writing, because you'll have to tell stories in your interview. You cannot just simply, I've got this much marks, I've done this project. No, you have to speak beautifully. Sir, I had done this kind of a thing, and this is my experience. So like that, and if you tell good stories, you will stand out during interviews. And we're going to help you to become good storytellers. Then another thing is completing your resume, how to make sure that your resume stands out. Then how do you mail to your potential HRs and how do you follow up with them? And another important thing is LinkedIn optimization, because if you are there online and if you have a good presence, okay, you will be able to get good opportunities. So this is another thing that's available for you people, but only if you do all the other things we have told you. If you do that, then you can start doing, you can get into this also, personal branding, become interview champion and public speaking. These things are also available, but first do whatever has been offered to you. This can come a little bit later. So we have a couple of awards lined up. Future Ready winner, Future Ready finisher is the one. First, that is who completes all the tasks, monthly tasks especially. You get certificate of completion, then you get an appreciation on LinkedIn. Then Future Ready winner is someone who completes all 3 months tasks. You get a certificate of winner, then recommendation on LinkedIn and 1 t-shirt. Come on, man, you've joined for a course where somebody has sponsored and you're getting gifts also. Hall of Fame award. This is for a person who gets an internship or a job where you get certificate, then you are invited for my YouTube video where I interview you, then you get appreciation and recommendation on LinkedIn and gift vouchers. You may be thinking, oh, recommendation on LinkedIn, how does it matter? You don't know how many people approach me. Ma'am, can you please comment on my post? Can you give a recommendation? And I don't do it for everyone. Believe me, only for my students, because I want to help them, I want to support them. Also, not for all students, only who are action takers. I believe that it doesn't matter if you're right or wrong, if you do it properly, if you don't do it properly, the activities that's given, that's not the point. Did you try to do it? Did you do it? That is the important thing. It's not about doing it properly. It's not about being perfect. If you already knew everything, why did you have to come to a course like this? I'm not asking, is your answer correct? All I'm asking is, are you attempting to answer? Are you trying? That's all I'm asking. Okay. Then we have something called a 6-figure salary award. That is, if you get a high paying job in the company or organization or company, okay? So you have a surprise gift hamper, gift voucher, then certificate and YouTube video, then appreciation, all these things. So I hope you're all excited about this. What is in store for you? How is this journey going to be? What will you get at the end of the journey? And how you can start working towards it. So these are the different memberships that is available. You people are in the foundation course, that's silver membership, okay? And many batches have gone to the gold membership already. They're doing amazing work in the gold membership. The diamond membership is only for a few people who already become leaders, but they want to improve their leadership skills, okay? So this is what that's available. Just running through what all is there for you people. Let me introduce my team. That's me out there, okay? And we have Kanti Meda, who's our director. Then we have Ambika right now, she's in the US. We have Nalini, who's our student coordinator. Then we have Kratika, who does all the background work. You'll be seeing her posting stuff, then she'll be following up with you. And we have Sandhya Niranjan, who's the community communication coordinator, and Vaishali, who's an internship coordinator. Kratika and Kanti, would you like to just switch on your cameras and introduce yourselves? How are you placed?
I am just looking at how I am placed.
Okay. So if you have the time, you can come online and then introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi, Vignesh. You're the only one seems to be I'm introducing myself to. So I am Kanti Meda, and you have probably met my sister in the NRIVA meetings, Swati Chada. And so we have collaborated as a sisters, and we are working for the betterment of NREVA students.
Okay, thank you, Kanti. Kratika, are you there? Okay, she seems to be multitasking. Okay, go ahead. Just let's do this activity before we close this. Go ahead, Vignesh. Let me hear from you.
Yes, I am from Jangam. What is the specialty of your place?
Yeah, anything. It may be food or it may be a place, anything. What is the speciality of your place?
In particular, there is no specialty to this place. Actually, it became a district recently, which was a mandal.
What is the name of the place again?
Jangam, ma'am. Jangam.
How do you spell it?
Jangam from Jangam near to Warangal district, ma'am.
Warangal district. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Jangam nunchana nuvo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, neen Hyderabad nunchi.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so you have a lot of Telugu people here, Vignesh.
Okay.
In fact, this batch is exclusively Vaishyas.
Yeah, this guy. No, there are two more. Oh, they are also this one only, no? Okay, correct. Yeah.
From
So what is
Vasavi
currently?
Hostel.
Yeah. What are you saying something, Vignesh? Go ahead, please.
Yes, ma'am. Now, I am currently pursuing BTech third year in information technology.
Okay.
And I am studying JB Institute of Engineering and Technology from Hyderabad. Ma'am, I could not see the next question, ma'am.
Three words that describe you.
Three words that describe me. Smart worker.
Okay, very good. Then?
And hard worker.
Okay. You're an action taker, man. You're here in the meeting. You're attending the live session. Look at all your friends. Nobody has come.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you want to give back to the society?
Do you want to give back to society?
Some social service. What do you want to do? Because somebody is helping you now, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So would you also like to help somebody?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. I really want to do that.
Yes, very good, very good. So what do you want to do? You want to help in education, environment? What do you want to do?
Yes, ma'am. I'm really motivated to do the help that what I can in my capacity at some point of time in my life, whether it's education or feeding someone or whatever may in whichever way possible.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, that's it. Let me just stop sharing this. Okay. So good, Vignesh, to see you here. What I want to say is you can reach out to us anytime. Start doing the activities you have not been doing till now, I think. Why don't you switch on your camera? Let me see you.
Okay.
Okay, so you're staying at home or in hostel? Where do you live? Where are you staying now?
I am at my home, ma'am, currently.
You're at home. Okay, and how close is college?
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm in my hometown, ma'am. I'm currently not going college. I'm having some health issues.
Health issues.
Yes.
Okay, so you're on a break?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm currently on vacation at home.
Okay, but college is going on?
Oh, yes, ma'am. College is going on for the last 1 week.
Okay, so when are you planning to go back? Are you feeling
Yes,
better
ma'am.
now?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm feeling better, and actually, I have to go to doctor tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and after that, I will decide when I will go to college.
Okay, okay, okay. Take care of your health, okay? It's very
Yeah, ma'am.
important. And then I think you would have missed some classes and all. You'll have to make up for it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the best. All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah, and keep in touch. Keep messaging us, whatever you doubts you may have, and we are there for you to help you. So we don't have many participants today, so I think we can end the meeting. If you have any doubts, Vignesh, you can ask me before we end this meeting.
No, ma'am. I don't have any doubts.
Okay, so are you excited about this journey?
Yes, ma'am. I'm really excited for this.
Yes. So you will see a change, you will see transformation. Okay, be regular, be an action taker like how you are today, and then you will see the change. So see you all. Bye bye. Thank you, dear coordinators, for coming here today. I think
All the best, Vignesh.
Thank you,
Thank you for
ma'am.
coming. And we will be there with you all throughout. You can
Thank
be
you.
sure of that. Yeah?
oh.
Yes. Thank you. Bye.